Yo, hello guys! Welcome to XMUX X2 Legendary. Alright, so for today's content guys, so may gagawin tayong content. So, ang gagawin nating content is gagawa tayo ng another excellent. Okay? So, paano gumawa ng isa pang excellent gamit ang tatlong excellent item. So, ang mangyayari mga idol, magiging panibagong tire up yung excellent na lalabas. Okay, so syempre ang kailangan na materials para sa paggawa ng tire up excellent guys is kailangan nyo ng tatlong excellent na magkakaparehas. Okay, so same na item, same class. Ayan, so excellent, kahit magkakaiba yung option, okay lang. Okay, so yan yung kailangan nyo. And then punta kayo dito sa Laurentia at hanapin nyo tong crop machine. Okay, so crop machine guys. Okay, so punta kayo dito at i-click natin yan. Okay, so then ilalagay natin yan pa isa-isa dito guys, yung tatlo nating excellent. And then syempre yan, makikita nyo yung requirements dito guys. Ayan, so yan, nandito na yung tatlo nating excellent, isang chaos, 10 bless, 10 soul, 1 creation, and 40 bonuses. And then yung ating zen na 18 M. Okay, so lalagay na natin yan guys. Okay, so ayan mga idol. So 50% success rate. 50% success rate yung mangyayari dito. Okay, so 50-50. Mayroong 50% na basag, 50% success. Okay, so swerte yan lang. Pero ngayon, itatry natin guys kung makakagawa tayo ng isang excellent na mas mataas. Okay, so let's go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and let's go guys. Sana success. Maging success, sana ito 50% success rate and uy! Success ang ating pag-crop ng excellent item guys. So thank you for watching. So once again, this is XMUX Legendary. Register now and download. Come and join us and play guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone.